Tax Minute. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is LLC partnerships. And I'm going to list a few reasons why I think it's a need for extra caution or to be avoided altogether. Here's why. Most people form LLCs because they're looking for a simple way to add business credibility and possibly legal protection. You may know from other discussions that I'm not sold on that legal protection aspect, but let's not get into that today. So let's say that the purpose of the LLC is to form a separate business entity that is distinct from our personal and other business entities. An LLC is a very easy way to do that, particularly if it's a sole proprietor, one owner LLC. The finances are handled the same as our personal finances or personal business account. We may or may not have a separate accounting system. It's a very simple operation. It's not the case, however, when there are two or more owners. In that case, we have an LLC partnership, and a partnership is arguably the most complex business organization to run from an accounting and tax perspective. What I notice as a practical matter is that, say, a husband and wife might have a few rental properties, and they followed advice of some seminar that they attended, and they've established a separate LLC for each of the rental properties. So they have several partnerships, each of which is subject to separate IRS tax filings. And in this case, today being the last filing day for 2002, I've run across a case where one of those LLC partnerships was not timely filed and will generate a penalty for IRS for each of the partners, that is the husband and the wife, separately for each month that the return was filed late. The fact is that they didn't even notice that they didn't prepare the finances separately and that needed to be filed. So that's one of several reasons. We're also going to see a crackdown by IRS on partnerships going forward. And so my suggestion is it's not necessarily a bad thing, but if it can be avoided, consider bypassing a LLC partnership, or perhaps put partnership right in the name so no one gets confused, or perhaps consider a corporate entity instead. Thanks for listening. I'm easy to reach at taxproblems.cpa. Would love to hear your feedback. If you agree, disagree, or have a story to share, and I will be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.